Hey guys, how do you like my cucumbers? I'm growing about 200 of them in these planters. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in these planters and they grow your food for you. You'll never ever have to worry about growing your food again. And I want you to see how beautiful they look. They are absolutely stunning. They're beautiful. All I do is put my seeds in this planter, put my plants in this planter, and I never ever have a problem with food again in my life. So our cucumbers are doing just fine. The problem is that I have too many of them. So I'm going to pull some of these out and place them in a different location. So in my 20-inch planters, I can normally do about 7, 8 plants, torpedo pot, plants inside of the torpedo pot, and just let it grow, 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 grow. It grows your food for you. So I'll take these and I'll transplant them someplace else. There you go. That's the beauty of torpedo pot. You never water, you never feed. You only come back and it grows your food for you. And I love it. I absolutely love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grow your food with no human intervention. And the food is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. So I expect to have a good harvest this year of my cooties. Each one of these planters, if they can deliver 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If they can do about 20 cuties, I'll be happy. 20, that's my goal. So 200 cuties, cucumbers, and about 20 feet. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Just imagine, 220 feet. Just imagine what you can do. One row is 20 feet. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So in other words, you can grow enough food to feed the world. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com.